Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open file on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Opening a file in Wix typically refers to allowing users to download or view a file directly from your site. This can be done by linking the file to text, images, buttons, or other elements. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the site that you're working with. Now, once inside the Wix editor, all you have to do if you want to open up a file, for example, in this case, I'm going to be putting up an element here. I'm going to click on the, let's say, for example, that's going to be a button. All right. I'm going to put in a button that says like something like an email. All right. An email. I'm going to click on and drag it here. I'm going to make it sure it's large enough for you to see. All right. That's going to be that. It's not. Okay, so this. I'm gonna choose another icon or button. How about we go for the, let's say, download button for you to be able to do that. Okay, so this one. Now, essentially, you have the link right here. This is where you can open the view. Basically, if you click the download, you would be able to see and open the file inside this download button. All right, I'm gonna do that by going to another Canva platform, and then I'm gonna click on the share button. You see there's gonna be more options. What I'm going to do is click this link right here, not the website. What I need is the link, and that's gonna be for the public live view link. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna switch over to the Wix. Now inside this one, there's gonna be an option that says link, and that leads to a web email address. All right. Every time you can also the text, let's say open file. All right. You can choose another icon if you want. For example, this is going to be for my account, all right? Now, every time they click this link, they would directly open the file of my PDF, all right? That's one way. Another option for you to open a file is go to the left side panel of your dashboard. There's going to be a media icon. And from here, these are going to be your options. You can put in the photo studio, edit and enhance your image, or video maker, wherein you can open files. Here on the left side, you have all of these options. The upload media from Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, and Google Photos for you to check. All right. After linking the file, you might want to preview your site and click on the link elements to ensure that the file opens or downloads as expected. And again, you can upload and open files such as PDFs, Word documents, and Excel sheets. There's a lot that you can work with because it provides several and practical advantages for both website owners and visitors if you're offering downloadable resources for them to open. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.